If your skin is taking longer to heal after waxing this spring, it might not be the wax. It could be the humidity. Once you see how this works, your aftercare routine will make sense. Around this time of year, many notice more redness, bumps, and slower recovery. It can feel random, but it isn't. Your environment is changing. Your skin is reacting to it. The good news: a few small adjustments can make a real difference. Your skin shifts from dry winter air to warmer, humid conditions. After waxing, your pores are open and your skin is more sensitive. In dry air, skin settles faster. In humid air, moisture stays on the surface longer. This can slow down recovery, increase sensitivity, and make your skin feel more reactive. If healing feels slower right now, that's a normal seasonal response. Humidity increases light sweating, even if you don't notice it. After waxing, this matters more because hair follicles are more exposed and your skin barrier is delicate. When moisture combines with friction, irritation becomes more likely. That's why some notice more small bumps during this season. Another common factor: continuing winter skincare habits. Heavier creams can trap heat and moisture, which isn't ideal in humid conditions. You don't need more products, just better suited ones. Consider switching to lightweight, water-based moisturizers. Try gentle, soothing formulas like aloe-based products and fast-absorbing textures instead of heavier creams. These help your skin stay balanced without feeling overloaded. Keeping your skin clean and calm supports recovery. Remember, the first 24 to 48 hours after waxing matter the most. Your routine outside of skincare also plays a role. Try to wear loose, breathable clothing. Avoid excess heat right after waxing. Give your skin time before intense activity. These steps reduce unnecessary friction and stress on the skin. Don't overlook hydration. It helps your skin recover more efficiently from within. Once your skin has settled, introduce gentle exfoliation after a couple of days. Keep your routine light and consistent, paying attention to how your skin responds. If something feels too heavy or irritating, simplifying your routine usually helps. Spring humidity isn't a problem, it simply changes how your skin behaves. When you adjust your routine to match the season, your results improve naturally. If you found this useful, save it for later. If your skin has been reacting differently this season, you're definitely not the only one.